How to use Mistral AI hidden feature tricks. If you are using the late chat, what you can do is rather than using the normal thinker, what you can do is simply tap on this brain like icon right next to this microphone, and from here you can choose this think option. Once you tap on this, now what you can do is this usually forces the model to use the chain of thought reasoning, showing you its step-by-step logic before providing a final answer. And what you can also do is use the agent option, which is located on the top left. Simply tap on it and you should be able to access this agent. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you're here, what you can do is tap on this create an agent option, where you can set up an agent to dynamically generate its own prompt based on context you provide, such as automatically summarizing meeting notes or calling external tools for real-time data enrichment. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.